Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I decided sunflowers was my theme, so I went ahead and did a really what would you call it? I guess a smoky eye with the yellow in there, and I kind of did some sparkles here. Tried out my new Iamgoddess Divinity lashes. I will be featuring that in today's video, and I'm gonna leave all the links down below so you guys can go ahead and get yourself some of those lashes. Last week I showed you guys Serenity, so this week is Divinity, and they are extremely popping. I don't know if y'all see that. Alright, so keep watching. Don't forget to click that subscribe button and click the notification bell to get notified for my new videos. Enjoy. I'm gonna go ahead and do my foundation first using my Fenty Beauty in the color 420, and then we're gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows. For my brows, I'm going to be using my NYX Professional Makeup and the Micro Brow Pencil. Comes with the really small tip here and the brush on the other side. Go ahead and use my NYX Control Freak eyebrow gel. I'm going to conceal my brows with my LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer in the shade Fawn. Conceal. I'm going to go ahead and do my contour using my Fenty Beauty Matchstix in Espresso and Suede. Stop Won't Stop concealer. It's a contour corrector concealer. I'm going to use it to prime my eyes today. For today's eye look, I'm going to be using my Itsmyrayeraye palette from bhcosmetics. This is her 15 color eyeshadow palette. This yellow here, the Canary yellow, is probably the brightest yellow I've ever found. I love this yellow, so as you can see, I'm going to be using this one today. First, I'm going to combine these two here as a slight base color on top of my eyelid. Shade. I'm going to go ahead and do a quick cut crease so I can add in that third shade, which is going to be my main shade, Miss Canary Yellow. Two shades here so it kind of fades in. I'm going to be using the shade Pepper Body from my Wahala palette down here. For the inner eye, I'm going to go in and use Shinin. I'm going to just dab that right in here. I quickly put on some tape to see if I can snatch my eyeliner real quick. So wish me luck. If this does not work, well, we'll have to try again. All right. where I kind of messed up, I'm just gonna use a shadow to go over it. Alright, removing the tape. Wow. Today's lashes, I'm going to be using Divinity, and these are also from ShopIAmGoddess. These are massive. Look at that. So I'm going to go ahead and put these on and let's see how they look. Once again, just wait about 30 seconds or so for it to get tacky before you apply them. Alright, it's been about 30 seconds. Oh my god, these are dramatic. I'm gonna go ahead and apply the other one. Alright, these are so pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and blend them together with my Fenty Beauty Full Frontal Mascara. Guys, these are like, I feel like I'm about to go to the club. Our time for today's lips, I'm going to be using my Juvia's Place Luxe liner in the color Kola and combining that with my Fenty Beauty, kind of a nude lip in the color Unveil. Sparkle to the lip. I'll go ahead and use a little bit of this guy here. That is a golden girl. Just blue on the finger. For today's blush, I'm going to be using a combination of Neo and Abby. Set my makeup with some setting spray, and then I'm going to go ahead and do the highlighter. I'm using my Milani Make It Last setting spray. And then for today's highlighter, I'm going to be using from my Itsmyrayeraye palette. Looks it's kind of old. I've had this for a long time. And I'll be using Moonlight. Told y'all it was old. See, French Toast is out. That was my favorite highlighter in this entire palette. Now for the finished look. Guys, I did not think this would come out this good. Like, wow. I've been dying to do sunflowers. So the yellow is my favorite color, especially on dark skin. So if y'all can go out there and find yourself a nice yellow shade, believe me, it's gonna be the best decision you've made. But this is it. I found these sunflowers at the craft store. Figured why not do something with it? Anyways, don't forget to click that subscribe button down below. Like, comment, and share with your friends. Let me know all your thoughts. Hope I'll see y'all next time. Bye.